consolations of darkness align, the 13th will be reborn.
The time has come. Dark Zodiacs, Oracle summons me. Emerge from the shadows of the night. Descend from the skies. Visit your darkness on the earth. Dark Zodiacs, your offering! Deliver them to me! By the blood of this moon, the prophecy will be fulfilled. Dark Zodiacs, your offerings will